first things first, what exactly is Storebuild AI and how does it work? It's a powerful platform designed to create Shopify stores effortlessly using artificial intelligence. You'll enter some basic business details like your store name, niche, and preferred style. From there, the AI will generate a complete, fully optimized store ready to go. Whether you're into fashion, gadgets, or pet products, Storebuild AI customizes your store to fit your niche perfectly. To get started, simply click the link in the description, and that will bring you here to the Storebuild AI homepage, where you'll see an overview of how the platform works. But for now, let's go step by step. So after clicking the link, you'll now be here wherein you can start picking your niche. You can go for clothing, pet, tech, home, sports, or you could go for need inspiration. As for this video, we'll be going along with need inspiration and see what it got for us. And then once you have selected your niche, then you want to click on Build My Free Store. And from here, all you have to do is just provide your basic details like your first name, email, and phone number. And once all of these are provided, you simply want to click on Create Your Free Account. You can also opt for agreeing to receive marketing recurring text messages, so if you'd like some promotional messages, you can click here, but this is just optional. Alright, so now once you're done with that, the next thing that we'll be doing is that we'll be completing these 8 simple steps. So first is that we need to pick a niche. So we have already done this, and then pick a color, which is right now, and pick a banner, and then set up our Shopify account, and then Shopify link and import winning products, and then the building of our store. And then finally, we'll be publishing it into the public or go live. So in here, we're in step 2, which is to pick a color. So in this case, I'll just go for the orange one because I think it's very attractive and bright. So I'm going to click here on this button where it says next right here, and now we're on to the next step. This time, we'll be picking a banner. So in here, we have our banner styles here on the left side. We can scroll down to see our choices. So in my case, I'll just go for a very simple one, but slick design. I'm going to go for maybe this one right here because I like that there are 3 images for the banner. So I'm just going to choose that. And I'm going to click here on Next right here on the Next button.